Ever feel completely lost, like you have no idea what you're meant to do in life? You've tried thinking about your passion or dream job, but all you get is a headache? Relax, you're not alone. The good news? You don't need years of soul-searching to figure this out. In just 10 minutes, you can uncover a powerful direction for your life. Ready? Step 1. The 4-question method. Grab a piece of paper and answer these 4 simple questions. No overthinking, just write whatever comes to mind. The faster, the better. Question 1. What have you always been naturally good at? We all have strengths that come effortlessly. Maybe you're great at explaining things, making people laugh, or fixing broken stuff. Write down at least 3 things you've always been good at. Question 2. What makes you lose track of time? When do you feel completely in the zone? Whether it's writing, coding, drawing, or even organizing things. This is a huge clue to your life's purpose. Question 3. What problems do you care about solving? Purpose is often tied to helping others. Ask yourself, what frustrates you in the world? What do you wish you could change? Your answers point to where you can make a real impact. Question 4. If money wasn't an issue, how would you spend your time? This reveals what truly matters to you. If your answer sounds unrealistic, don't worry. The key is to find patterns in your answers. Step 2. Finding your purpose. Formula. Now connect the dots. Your life purpose is usually a mix of what you're good at, what excites you, what problem you care about, how you'd spend your time if money didn't matter. When these align, you've got your life purpose blueprint. Step 3, the 5-second action rule. Still doubting yourself, that's normal. But here's the secret. Action creates clarity. Pick one small step you can take today, even if it's just reading about your interest or talking to someone in that field. Final message. You don't have to be 100% sure. Remember, your life purpose isn't a single destination. It's a path you create as you move forward. So stop waiting, start exploring, and trust the process. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more powerful strategies to take control of your life. And comment below, what's one thing you're naturally good at? Let's help each other find our paths.